Hi, welcome to Java. In this series, we are learning about Java programming. In our last two tutorials, we have seen about setting up Java and did the very first program, Hello World. Also, we have seen about Java and its main features, especially about the class, objects, and compilation structure in brief with the same Hello World class. In this video, we are going to learn about variables, an introduction to the data types. So what is a variable? Well, in mathematics we have studied about variables. Just look at this example. I have some money. Do you have any idea about it? Or do you know how much I have now? Practically, it is impossible to say without knowing it. But mathematically, it is possible. But how? It is rupees X. How come X? Come on, money is a numeral thing. So how can we define it with an English alphabet? Yeah, it's a norm. A variable has a capability of changing. Does it mean that the money I have is going to change? No. Of course it has to change, but the term variable here tells not a periodic change in near future. Here the ability to change means it can accommodate any value. In mathematics, we have two types of variables, dependent and independent. Number of sandwiches you buy is an independent variable, and the amount of money you pay is dependent variable. It depends on the number of sandwiches. Also, in y is equal to mx plus c, y is dependent on x. So what is a variable in computer science? Well, variables store information to be referenced and used by programs. It is a memory location. It has a name. The memory location holds the data and it can change during the execution of the program. In other words, it's a box. You can put something and label it with an appropriate name associated with the thing you put inside. Look at the following variables: x equal to 5, y equal to trump, z equals true. Are they similar? No. But why? Look at this picture. You can see a lot of eatable things, right? So are they all same? How do you purchase them? Asking for anything or asking specifically? If so, how? When we are asking specifically, we are just handling them as groups. We are selecting from the groups in which we have already separated them. So how to define the groups then? We can group them as fruits and vegetables. What else? Wow, there are a lot of groups. Now you can see a number of groups in which the above fruits and vegetables are separated into independent groups. So even though they all are eatable, they all are not the same. So what about our previous example? They are not same. Variable x, y and z are not similar because x is assigned with a positive number, an integer, y is assigned with a text, a string, and z is assigned with a boolean value. This difference is because of different data types. Int is one of the data type that is used to store integer values. Its size is 4 bytes and store whole numbers in this range. The syntax to create a variable is data type variable name value. Example int mynum equal 10. There are different type of variables in Java. There are 4 variables in this class and each are explained very clearly. Also you can check in the blog we have shared with this video. While programming, you will face a lot of tips when handling these variables. Try to create a class to initialize a variable and print it as we did in Hello World tutorial. Now you have learned about the basics of variable and data types in Java. In the next tutorial, we will be learning about data types and will be able to implement a small program using what we have studied in this tutorial as well. If you have got something from this video, like this video, subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. See you in the next tutorial. Bye for now. Lots of love from your tutor.